In this video, we will learn what is Microsoft Power BI, its characteristics, types, benefits, and examples. But before we go ahead, like and subscribe to this channel if you want to watch similar videos related to the disruptive technologies. Microsoft Power BI is a set of tools that help in acquiring and transforming raw data into useful information that can help easily for data analysis. Power BI technology has the capability to handle structured or unstructured data and transform it into easily identified forms that can be used for creating and developing business strategies. The goal of Power BI is to make the identification of large amounts of data easier for users. The insights from this identification can help a business in identifying new opportunities and creating business strategies that can bring profits in the coming years as works for long run. Characteristics. Different characteristics of Microsoft Power BI are: Number 1. Customized visualization. Number 2. Interactive Power BI desktop tool. Number 3. Sharing and collaboration. Number 4. End-to-end data protection. Types and licenses. The types of Microsoft Power BI are differentiated based on the subscription packages provided by the company. Number 1. Power BI Free. Number 2. Power BI Pro. Number 3. Power BI Premium. All the three types have their own benefits from one another with respect to their own tool provided for each of the type. Benefits. Microsoft Power BI offers multiple benefits such as: Number 1. It integrates easily with other applications. Number 2. It has rich, unique, and eye-catching personalized dashboards. Number 3. It also publishes reports which are safe and secure. Number 4. It has no memory and speed constraints. Number 5. It requires no technical support. Number 6. It also supports advanced data analytics services. Examples. In present scenario, there are many examples in various industries. Microsoft Power BI are being used by companies like Walmart, Toyota, Apple, and many more retail organizations for the growth of their respective businesses. Different positing that regularly use Microsoft Power BI are: Number 1. Project and Portfolio Manager. Number 2. Business and Data Analyst. Number 3. Developer and Database Administrator. Number 4. Data Scientist. Like and subscribe to this channel if you want to watch similar videos related to the disruptive technologies.